boys and girls. We are working on lesson 9.7 in our math books, and we'll be discussing mixed numbers. All right, so let's first look at these shapes. We have three rhombuses, and they've created a shape of a hexagon. Okay, so what fraction of a whole do these pieces represent together? 1, 2, 3, 3/3, or 1 whole. Then I go to add 2 more rhombuses beside the whole. Now, how many thirds are shown? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 thirds. On this paper, we have 5 thirds, and we call that an improper fraction. But we can also change that to be what we call a mixed number. So we can have 1 and 2 thirds. And today, I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's review the definitions one more time. An improper fraction is a fraction whose numerator, the top number, is greater than its denominator, the bottom number. And a mixed number is when you have a whole number and a fraction together. So what we're going to be doing today is changing improper fractions to a mixed number. And there's a great way to do that. Let me show you. So to change our improper fraction from our blue shapes, we had 5 thirds. And what we're going to do is we're going to divide. We're going to take 5 divided by 3. So we're going to put the top number in the house, and that's going to be our dividend. And we're going to take our denominator, it's going to be our divisor. So we're going to say 5 divided by 3. And when I go and do the work, 5 divided by 3 is 1. I put my 3 here and I subtract. And now my remainder is going to become the numerator. And my divisor is going to become the denominator. So I first have my whole number here. My remainder is the numerator. And my divisor is now the denominator. Let's see another example with some red shapes. All right, so now we have some more shapes. And we have trapezoids here. And we have seven trapezoids. And we have put them together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 halves. Or we could also say that we have 1, 2, 3 and a half. So 3 wholes and a half would be a mixed number, but 7 halves is an improper fraction. So how did we get to the 3 and a half? Well, let me come back and show you again. So we change our 7 halves by dividing. And we're going to change our improper fraction to a mixed number. So we take our 7, our numerator, and we put it in as our dividend. And we put our denominator as our divisor, and we divide 7 divided by 2. 7 divided by 2 is 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. 7 minus 6 gives us a remainder of 1. So now we can make this improper fraction to a mixed number by using our whole number, our remainder as our numerator, and our divisor as our denominator. 3, 1, 2, or we can say 3 and a half. So that is how we change improper fractions to mixed numbers. You're going to get to practice a little bit more on your own by doing the problems in the practice section. Please see your homework sheet to see what numbers you're going to do. And if you have any questions, just give me a call.